In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show different banner images on desktop and mobile in Shopify. This can be incredibly useful for optimizing the appearance and impact of your online store, ensuring your visual content is tailored to different devices. Understanding the nuances of how your site appears on desktop compared to mobile is crucial in this day and age when many visitors access websites via mobile devices. So, let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step guide to making these changes. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Shopify admin account. Once you're in, navigate to the online store section and then click on Themes. This is where you have access to all the different themes you can use for your store. Your active theme should be right at the top, clearly labeled for easy access. Now, go ahead and click on Customize for your active theme. This action will take you into the theme editor, offering you a real-time view of what changes will look like on your site. The editor is a powerful tool that allows a lot of flexibility in tailoring the aesthetics and layout of your online store. As the next step, you'll need to locate the section within your theme that contains your banner images, which may be a slideshow or a single image. Scroll through the sections on your left sidebar until you find it. This area might be named something like Slideshow, Header, or just Image. Depending on the theme you are using, this might vary slightly, so don't worry if it's not exactly the same as described. Ensuring you are in the right place is key to following the next steps accurately. If your theme supports different images for mobile and desktop versions, you're in luck. Some themes offer this feature natively. Look for options labeled as Desktop Image and Mobile Image. This setting is what allows you to select different images optimized for each device type. Once you see these options, you can upload the appropriate images for desktop and mobile. Make sure that the images you choose are optimized for their respective devices. Larger and perhaps more detailed images for desktops, and lighter, faster loading images for mobile devices to ensure a smooth user experience. Now that you have selected the images, remember to click Save to keep your changes. It's essential not to skip this step so all your hard work doesn't get lost. Finally, preview your changes to ensure everything looks just right. Use the preview tools to view the desktop version of your site and the mobile version separately. This is your opportunity to make sure that the banner images display correctly and provide the desired impact on both platforms. And there you have it. A simple yet highly effective way to enhance your store's appearance across devices by showing different banner images on desktop and mobile in Shopify. This tweak not only improves user experience, but also contributes positively to your brand's visual identity.